In 2000, I became greedy and I lost a lot of money. My name is Beek and I'm the founder of the stock trend investing website and system, and I'm going to share with you here my history a little on why I founded this website and what it can do for you. So, as I said, in 2000 I became greedy. I saw loads of my friends making a lot of money in the stock market and I didn't make that money. I had a good income, I had a good job, but the amount of money that they could make in the stock market, my salary couldn't cope with that. So I became greedy, and what I did is I did my research, I looked at what were the best stocks and funds to buy, and I invested more or less all at once a big part of my savings in the market. Afterwards, of course, not that smart, but that's what I did at that moment. We all know what happened after 2000. During 2001, 2002, the market fell and fell. I thought it would come back. I didn't know. Okay, altogether I lost 41% of my savings during that period. That was expensive, but I've learned a very good lesson for it. And the lesson that I've learned from it is the basis of the stock trend investing system. And actually, when I'm looking back, I'm happy that I learned that lesson, because the money that I've lost, I've earned back so many times over and over again. Altogether, not too bad. What I'm going to do here is to share with you this system that I have developed, the stock trend investing system, and what it is all about. What the system allows me to do is to time the market. What I'm doing is, let's say at this moment, it's simple. It's like you buy low and you sell high. The question is, how do you know when to buy low and when to sell high? Okay, that's first thing, right? It's like, okay, maybe first thing is, say, this is not maybe the most professional video that you have seen, and my purpose is not to make a professional video. My purpose is to make here a video to inform you, and you have to you have to accept it, that it is not the most professional video. So please accept that and watch further. So what I want to say is that, what I do is I buy low and sell high. So how do I know when to buy low and when to sell high? I'm not a trader. It's not that I want to buy every day and decide, okay, now the market is a little lower than it should be and therefore I buy, or now the market is a little higher than it should be. I don't know what is low and what is high. What I can see is, what are the patterns in the market, and what I have done is I have developed a number of objective measures. I call them trend signals, that tell me what is the long-term trend in the market. And what I'm doing is, when the long-term trend is going down, and when it starts to turn up, I buy. And when the long-term trend is going up and then it turns to go down, I sell. So I just buy after the bottom and I just sell after the top. And the margin that you make in between there is big. And in generally, I can say that with this approach, I triple the return on investment that an average buy and hold investor would have. That's my experience over the last decade. So it's about timing the market, it's about capitalizing on the long-term trend in the market, buying low, selling high. In this way, I outperform the stock market index, by just using 1 hour in a month. I don't want to trade every day. I don't want to be busy with it all the time. I just, once in a month, 1 hour, I review what the trends are, and based on that I take my decisions, if I buy more, if I hold what I have, or if I sell. Simple. In this way I build my long-term wealth, I build up my savings, I make my savings work for me. Okay, I want to share this with you because I don't want you to make the same mistakes as that I made. It's simple, and you don't have to be a professional financial expert or whatsoever to make money in the stock market. This is just basic, simple common sense. You buy at the beginning of the trend up, you sell at the beginning of the trend down. So what you can do now is, there are two things that I want you to do. One is sign up for our free trend investing newsletter. Somewhere on this website you see a sign up form where you can put your email, you can put your first name, it's an option, you don't even have to give that, and you click the submit button. As a free gift we also give you the report Beating the Market, and Beating the Market is the story, a little more elaborate, about how I discovered the stock trend investing system and what I did for it. That's a free ebook or report that you get when you sign up for the free newsletter. You can unsubscribe anytime, there is no obligation. So that's the first thing that I want you to do. The second thing that I would like you to do is, somewhere on this website, on different places, you see the big orange banner which says click here to claim your risk-free trial. Click that banner and you will go to a page which is quite a long page, where we describe, say, what you will get exactly when you take a trial membership at the stock trend investing system. It tells you, say, what you exactly get, what bonuses you get, and we give you a very good deal there. What I want to stress here, without going into any detail, is that this is a 100% risk-free trial for you. It's like, for 60 days, you use it, you look at it, you download all the reports and all the information that we have. If you don't like it, you just cancel it. There is no notice period to cancel it. And you tell me, Van Beek, I'm not happy with it. It's not what I'm expecting, and I give you your money back. I mean, what you will see is the money is not even that much. So that's are the two things that I want you to do. One is sign up on this form here that you see, and that for the free newsletter, and claim your free report. Two is click here big orange button, and to go to our page and read that page and see if this is something for you. If you do those two things, you get access to the stock trend investing system that I'm using myself all the time to outperform the market in just 1 hour a month, and to build my long-term wealth. Okay, thank you for your attention. So please sign up for the newsletter and click this big orange banner. Thank you.